That's crazy. Zoom in, zoom out. Oh, that's not it. Sure! Hey, yo, bust it down, bust it down. Dude, it's so, oh, are you serious? F you. Oh.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing fantastical.
Oh, not a good start. Not a good start.
Dropped it off to her then? Like,
Oh yeah, no, we can.
we're gonna be
Do a food review, Monica. Let me see that food.
Bro, there's so many food.
Oh, he's getting away! He's getting away from me!
I wanted to roll down my window and yell to that.
Your baby's safe. We are at the frog location.
The headlamp on.
Can you get the headlamp out?
I'm bringing my
You're bringing your Baja Blast.
What do we feel?
They probably like are underneath us. I mean, if they're here, they're definitely in that. Unless you want to like Spider-Man your way over there. Fucking Tarzan.
You can't see us.
I guess we don't need that one.
We saw no frogs. There's no frogs.
Oh my god.
There's frogs, but we couldn't find them.
Just like permanently ruined my retina. My eyes ain't ever gonna see again. I'll never see a glorious chode frog.
It's a sad day.
Dude, I was hearing some toads. We heard some toads.
Got my Jedediah.
Oh yeah, Jack,
There they are. Wait, Emmett.
yeah, with Jeremy Wells on our side.
We're live. The beach in the background.
Are you proud? This is like what you see on Instagram is a little bit in real life, but it actually is real. Are those mine?